Got it your timber crack, you slide it in all the way through. Once you're happy with this, put it down and adjust it. And it's going to hold it. Look at that teeth. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one's, the log is not thick enough. But yeah, it's gonna hold it really well. It's not gonna go anywhere. Let's see if it's gonna hold it well. Holding it pretty good so far. This is black locust. It's whenever it dries out, it's like a rock. And you can even get it really close to it by cutting it on this side. Let me show it to you. Just for example, right here. Holding it. Wow, that's strong. And boom, looks like it wanna come off by itself once you cut it really close to it. You don't even have to take it out. This is a really cool, very unique system over here. Let me try something else real quick. Let's see if it will hold 2x4. No problem, so it will hold something like 2x4. Pretty good. Wow, that's cool. And like a long log post or stick, you put it through, then set it down. And if you need to cut it up, boom. You see how it's holding it really well? That's pretty nice. So yeah, using the leverage. And just lift it. Pretty easy pull it out too. So yeah, very nice log holder over here. Self-sharpening chainsaw cutting test by Oregon. There is a button on the side and second right here. It will beep if your lock is not set up. Super cool, reminds you. Okay, cutting test. It's pretty dry wood. This kind of teeth, actually, as you can see, works really well. Everybody who is watching probably used to looking totally different teeth. These ones are kind of like, has the sharp edge on top, that's it. So yeah, very, very unique. Do you guys see that? Yeah, that's totally different because this is a self-sharpening chainsaw. There you go. And it cuts really fast. Look how big that tree is. Let's keep on going. Here's the better view. Let's see. It sits through it. I'm not even pushing it. Look how big that log is. Cuts through really well. This is 16 inches, so the log is about 12 inches or so. Pretty awesome. Let's just enjoy this. Couple more different views. Another view right here. This is a nice hard wood too. It's not a pine or anything. Maybe it is a pine, but still, it cuts it really fast. Let's just finish it off. look how well it cuts. It's insane. And you know what? Anytime I feel like it's not cutting good, all I have to do is press this and just for a few seconds. Do you see those sparks? And it will sharpen it up. And let's see now the difference. Probably did dull out a little bit. See what happens now. Yeah, that's amazing. And again, if you want to sharpen it up, just press this and look at the sparks. So yeah, it doesn't take that much to sharpen it up. Just a few seconds. We probably overdid it. You're just wasting the chain if you hold it for too long. But yeah, that's amazing. That's the easiest way to sharpen up chainsaw, don't you guys think? Super cool. Look, it's still on 3. Battery is powerful. We chopped a lot of firewood, still a lot of battery left. So I would get multiple batteries, and this is the cheapest battery for AH. I think they'll go up to maybe 8. I know that there is 6 and 8. They're more expensive, so you can get multiple, one more powerful, lasts longer and cuts faster. Pretty awesome. Again, this is not a knife. Another one, this is AP's Tactical Coyote Titanium Buckle. This is a belt, Microtech belt. This thing right here, $450. So there's instructions how to use it. So this is way more expensive because it has the Morpheon logo on it. You see this Morpheon instead of Microtech logo? I mean, I don't mind Microtech logo either, super fancy. This belt is much shorter and highly adjustable, seems to be way easier to adjust it. Wow. That other belt I showed you guys, I'll compare it. It was kind of hard to take it in and out. I guess you could change that. So that is kind of nice. I love that one way better anyways. And then same thing right here on that end. You can adjust it, make it tighter, whatever. Boom. Wow, beautiful. So obviously my weight fluctuates. This is quite nice. Check this out. And whenever you want to adjust it, just make it tighter and tighten it up. Oh, it's too tight. You just pull on it and adjust it, loosen it up. You see? Boom. Or you can just open it. Or do both. Like tighten it up, adjust it, loosen it up, then unbuckle it. But I feel like it will buckle and unbuckle just fine. Just boom. Holds pretty good. Yeah, put it all the way.